And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 321. Let me show the Polygon Lasso tool, which is another selection tool. You will find it right here. L is the short key. The Lasso tool, I believe, is active by default, and right click on this box. And when should you use it? Well, let us use the quick selection tool here on these buildings, and you can see we can make a selection, but it's relatively hard to do because all of these windows, all of these different segments of the image are seen as an element in itself. So the Polygon tool, or specifically the Polygon Lasso tool, makes more sense here because this is specifically meant for straight lines or very clear edges right here. And the way to use it is quite simple. You left click and then you see your line, and you left click on each edge that you want to have part of your selection. And once you've gotten to the start point, just left click again, and then the selection should automatically be activated. And you can see for buildings, this is good. For boxes, screens, tables, maybe a smartphone selection. In general terms, geometric shapes with these very hard and clear edges. You should definitely not use it when you want to select hair, fur, trees, or in general curved and organic edges that aren't clearly defined. The options above are the same that we have for basically all selection tools. So we have the 4 modes. For new selection, add to selection, subtract, or the intersection, we can feather it out, which fades out your selection edges. And the anti-alias, this for smoothing your edges. So the edges of the selection, I would advise you to keep that checked in basically all cases. And this is how you can use the Polygon Lasso tool in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.